The World Travel Adapter Key of SOMOSTEL SMS-A36 includes a set of 4 AC plugs with prongs that fit different electronic outlets around the world. 4 AC plugs included in the key are 1 US plug built in the adapter and 3 separated AC plugs of UK, EU, and Argentina, which directly support outlets in the North America, Japan, UK, Argentina, Chile, Honduras, Costa Rica, Mexico, and continental Europe. The key is designed with 4 USB outputs of maximum 3.1 amps power. It's a smart ID which can automatically recognize when there is iPad, iPhone, Samsung, or other digital devices that gives you the most suitable power to ensure fast and efficient charging. There is a LED light at the top of USB port to indicate working status. In its sleek packaging, there are 1 travel adapter of US plug, 1 AC plug which you can choose at your own will and use USB cable. For more details, please visit our website at www.somostel.hk.